Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to update the license in Saral PayPack. But before we begin with either ways, make sure that application and all related files must be closed. Go to the application and right click on it. Now you need to run as administrator. Once you see the Saral PayPack dashboard, you need to click on utility. Here, go to check for the web updates option. After checking for the web updates, immediately exit the application before the download is complete. Once you close, the software updates will be automatically installed. After updating the software, open it again with administrator privileges, click on registration and select the product with latest financial year. Lastly, enter the new PIN and click on register. This completes the process of license registration after updating in Saral PayPack. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.